Plant reproduction. Most plants that grow around us have flowers. Such plants are known as flowering plants. Flowers develop into fruits. For example, a bitter gourd flower forms a bitter gourd. A papaya flower forms a papaya, and an orange flower forms an orange. Most fruit have seeds. The seeds are fully formed with the fruit ripens. The outermost part of the seed is called the seed coat. The seed coat protects the inner part of a seed. Seed of flowering plants have one or two
cotyledons.
A cotyledon is also called a seed leaf. Plants that produce seeds with two cotyledons are dicotyledon plants or
Dicotyledon.
Beans, mustard, mango and apple are dicotyledon plants.
Dicotyledon.
If you soak a dicot seed such as a bean seed in water overnight, you will be able to separate the seed cotyledon and a sea of a tiny structure attached to the cotyledon. This is the baby plant or the embryo. It can grow into a new plant. Some plants produce seeds with one cotyledon, such as called
monocotyledon
plant and monocots. All kind of grasses are monocotyledon plants. Maize, wheat, rice and ragi are grasses. They are monocotyledon.
Germination of seed.
A full formed seed can give rise to a new plant. Only ripe fruit can have full formed seed. Normally, a fresh shoot from a ripe fruit does not germinate. To germinate a seed has to dry. When a seed germinates, a new plant is born. The process by which a seed grows into a plant is called germination. The babies that grow from the seed, such as seed, is called seedling. What do seeds need to germinate? Water. A seed needs water to germinate. You must have observed that soon after the rains, many plants begin to grow. These plants grow from the seeds that have remained burning in the soil. When water is available, seeds absorb water and germinate. Warmth. Soak a few mustard seeds in water. Keep them in a refrigerator. Do they germinate? Seeds kept in a refrigerator do not germinate even if they are kept moved. This is because seed need warmth and to germinate. Air. Keep a few groundnuts in water. Do they germinate? Seed need air to germinate. When seeds are completely covered with water, they do not get air. Therefore, they do not germinate. Do all seeds germinate? All seeds do not germinate. Seeds from a raw fruit will not germinate because they are fulfilled form. They are not fulfilled form. Many fulfilled seeds do not germinate. Some seeds are eaten by animals. Some fall off rock and cannot germinate, while others do not germinate because they do not receive the needed amount of water, air, and or warmth. A seedling. When a seed receives the right amount of warmth, air, and water, the baby plant in the seed begins to grow. The seed absorbs water to the seed coat, spills and to the root, and emerges first. The roots get bigger and new leaves develop on the shoot of the cotyledons remain attached to the shoot. They provide food to the seedling until the leaves make enough food for the plant. Most dicotyledon plants, the cotyledons turn green and make food for seedling for the first few days. The seedling is a baby plant. It needs proper amount of water, warmth, air, and sunlight and fertile soil to grow into a healthy plant. A seedling will die if it does not get proper amount of water, sunlight, warmth, and air. How do seeds disperse? Seeds are dispersed by wind, animals, explosion, and water. Dispersal by wind. Many seeds are carried away by the wind. The seeds are diagonal. Desert and rose, milkweed are the like factors. New plants from roots, stem, and leaves. All kinds of plants do not grow from seed. In some cases, new plants are formed from the roots, stem, or leaves. This is known as vegetative reproduction. Plants from roots. Some plants form new plants from their roots. Sweet potato, breadfruit, and blackberry, and some such as. Plants from stems. Tea, sugarcane, drumstick, mint, rose, jasmine, grapes, and most cactus plants can grow from stem cutting. Stems of plants such as lilies form bulbs. The bulbs grow into a new plant. New plants also grow from underground stems of banana, ginger, turmeric, and potato. Tiny birds develop on the potato in a certain season. These birds is burned into suitable soil, develop into a new plant. Plant from leaves. Leaves of the plant form make new plants. Mature leaves of biophyty, sweet potato, and begonia develop into a new plants. How do non-flowering plants produce new plants? Trees such as cedars, firs, and pines do not flower. They are non-flowering plants. They produce cones with seeds. The seeds gives rise to new plants. Ferns are also non-flowering plants. They do not produce seeds. They produce sponges on the lower surface of their leaves. Sponges are tiny bodies. When they fall on the ground, they give rise to the new plant. Crops. Farmer grows different kinds of crops in different seasons. The kind of crop growing in a particular place depends upon the type of soil, the availability of the water, and the climate of the place. For example, in the warm coastal region with good amount of rainfall, farmers grow rice. In the clayey soil, the drier region with sandy soil and little water, farm grows mills such as gowar and ragi. Several crops of grown in regions where water is available throughout the year. Agriculture is the science of growing crops. For a good and healthy crops, farmers till the soil and add manure to the field. Sow seeds of good quality. Irrigate the crops of regular interval. Protect the crops from grazing animals. Harvesting at proper time and store it safely till the produce is sold in the market. Germination, the process which gives rise to the new plant from a seed. Seed shoot, the first part of a plant to appear above the ground. Thank you.